Okay, so to continue our timing belt replacement, we've got the new one on now in position. We're yet to tighten it up, set the tensioner, but it should be all in the correct place. The new water pump on there, new tensioner, new pulley. So the bracket is still loose. I've done it in situ because I couldn't get the bracket out in that position like that, so I worked around it. I just temporarily placed it back in position, and then I put the water pump in last. I placed the belt in and then I put the water pump in last, and that gave me enough room to do the job. So I'm yet to pull the pin on the tensioner down there. There's a little pin that comes with it that's still in it at the moment. I'm going to put the bottom plate on, the back plate, and the crankshaft pulley back on, and then I can get my timing mark exactly right. And then I'm going to rotate the shaft a little bit. I'm going to crank it round, and then we're going to set the tension up. Let's see how we get on.